Format of this vlog: I share what's on my mind, and then I answer questions from previous vlogs. So feel free to use timestamps below as you see fit. Do we have a guest right here? Mr. Waffles. Not sure if y'all can see him. Oh, Miss Olive is coming too. Hello, baby Ollie. Ollie, Ollie. Waffles. Say hi to the people. Daily dose of my cats. And a few life updates. I bought an N64 and I bought Super Smash Bros. Because I've really been yearning to play. So I ended up buying a console, and my friend had an extra copy, so he gave this to me along with a few other games. I think I have GoldenEye and a few other games. So I'm excited to play, and I'm actually trying to figure out how I can record my gameplay on my Roku TV. If anyone has any insight on how to record gameplay on my Roku TV, please, please, please let me know. The Roku TV is a TCL brand, so I'm not sure what that means. I'm not that great with technology, so again, if anyone has any insight, I would much appreciate it. Update number 2, because the N64 was very important. I am so excited to play. Update number 2, I am scheduled to take my real estate license on September 8th. And September is the earliest that the California Bureau of Real Estate has the exams back open. The first date is on September 4th, which is a Friday. So I was like, nah, I don't want to take a test on a Friday. So I'll be taking the test on the following Tuesday, on the 8th. So I'm excited, I'm ready. I'm going to keep studying, just to keep doing what I'm doing. And then also I'll be taking a crash course, a 1 to 2 day crash course. I took the online course through Keller Williams, and they have a 1 day crash course before the test, and they have an online one. So I'll be taking that, plus I actually want to go in somewhere to take a 2 day full day crash course. If they have those, I'm going to be looking those up as well. So those are my current life updates. Let's get to some questions. First question comes from Kelby and Adam. Kelby says that she struggles with her upper body strength, and if I have any recommendations besides pull-ups to assist her. I am a big fan of keeping it simple. So the first build your upper body, you can start with push-ups. If you can't do a full push-up just yet, you can use your knees as well to assist you. Also, if you have access to dumbbells or even bands, I think curl press is great, or even a shoulder press. And you can also do bent over rows. That would be a good start. The Fit Rush asks, did you fix your Rode microphone? As of right now, I did not. I'll actually show you what it looks like. As you can see, it snapped off right there. But good news is, I got some super glue from Amazon, came in a few hours ago. So all I need to do is super glue it back onto the mount. But the good news is the audio is still working perfectly. So after I super glue it, everything will be A-OK. Power weight training asks, do you prefer not to eat on your runs? For the most part, I don't necessarily mind eating on my runs, though if I can avoid it, I will definitely avoid it. I just don't like too much food in my stomach when I run. It makes the run just a little bit harder. For the most part, if I'm running anything less than 8 miles, I won't eat anything before. If I'm running 8 to 13 miles, I'll have a bagel cream cheese before, and then 1 Gatorade during my run. And then if I'm running 13 to 18 miles, I'll have that bagel cream cheese before, the Gatorade during, and then also a pack of Cliff Blocks during. And then if I'm running more than 18 miles, I have all of that, plus I carry a few protein bars, and that's generally my game plan as far as my nutrition for my runs. Jordan asks, how do you have time to make 2 videos a day? So basically what I'm doing with my daily vlogs is just separating them into 2 different vlogs. So actually it's less work for me, just because when I was doing the one really long vlog, I was always pressed on time. I was trying to edit as quickly as possible and to push out the video as quickly as possible. But now with the 2 different vlogs, my PM vlog that I come out with also allows for transparency of what I'm doing as far as my exercise in the day. So that portion of the vlog actually does not take a lot of editing. It's the other portion of the vlog, the Q&A and the topic of the day, that takes a lot more editing. So now that I can push out the Q&A and the topic of the day in the AM the next day, it actually saves me a lot more time and headache. Mark asked, any milk with those donuts? Yes, I have to have milk or the donuts just don't taste as good. I'm all about that vanilla, unsweetened almond milk.
Hey, Vince, it's Brad from My BS Life. Quick question for you. If you had to choose any actor to play you in Hollywood, who would you, Vince Luu, choose to play you to represent your life on the big screen? Let me know what you think.
I appreciate the question, Brad, and I actually had to look this up because there aren't too many Chinese American or even Asian American actors that are around my age. Though if I had to pick one, the first one that comes to mind would be Ki Hong Lee, and he was in all 3 Maze Runner movies. My friend Aaron from FitLab asked, what are your main sources of protein as a vegetarian? So as a vegetarian, it is a little challenging for me to get in enough protein during the day. So the first thing that I do is I supplement with a protein shake, and I usually like to have it right after my run. As far as my other sources of protein, I'm gonna show you all right now. First one, Morningstar Spicy Black Bean Burger. This has 110 calories and 9 grams of protein. Not that much, but you know, every little bit adds up. I also have bagels. These have 9 grams of protein, 270 calories. Obviously, I have defrosted bagels in my fridge as well, but I always like to have an extra pack in my freezer. Some pita bread. This has 8 grams of protein and 200 calories. A block of tofu, which has 35 grams of protein for this whole thing. I also like to have vegetarian sausage. One vegetarian sausage has 23 grams of protein. Also, tortillas. I think I have at least 2 every single day, sometimes 3 or 4. Each one has 3 grams of protein, and I know it's not very much with each item, but all of it adds up, and that's also why I supplement with a protein shake. Also, for my protein consumption, I usually only aim for about 110 to 130 total grams of protein per day. I just go by NASM, the National Academy of Sports Medicine's recommendations. They recommend that an endurance athlete get 0.5 to 0.8 grams per body pound of protein per day. Thanks for watching. I hope you all enjoyed that video. Let me know down in the comments below if you have any additional questions for me. Would love to hear from you all. Also, just a quick reminder, if you would like to ask a question in video form and to have your face in my vlogs, just send your clip to lifewithvincelu@gmail.com. Please give this video a thumbs up. It really helped me out. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button right here. And if you want to catch another one of my videos, there's a video right here and there's a video right here. See you all later today.